Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S86 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features on this DOOGEE. Firstly, you need to access settings and scroll down. Now select system section over here, so surface click and choose languages and input. Then you need to select virtual keyboard and finally Gboard. Over here, go into text correction. As you can see, all typing features are here. If you wish to turn on or off one of them, just click on this slider next to the one of your choosing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!